Okay, this is my brother's bike, and we're gonna take off the stock exhaust that you see on there, and we're gonna put some Vance and Hines short shots on her. And right here's the box that we've got. There's part number if anybody needs it. And I'm gonna get the tools around and what I'm gonna need, and we'll get this thing going. Okay, we're just gonna need a little flathead screwdriver and a 3/8 wrench to get these off. So got to take those two off, those two. And there's those two bolts right there. Got to come off. And there's two bolts. Right there, that one and that one's got to come off. And we'll go ahead and get these pulled off. We're probably going to start it up first so you can hear what it sounds like. That way he'll know what it sounds like now, and then after we get the straight shots put on. So we'll be right back. Okay, got to get to that bolt right there. One of my fingers pointing to. Then we've got another one. It's right under there. That one right there that you can see my finger on. That one's got to be taken off. They should slide off. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright, there she started. That's what she sounds like with the factory exhaust. Give her a little gas. Alright, that's what she sounds like with the factory exhaust. We're going to turn it off, and we're going to put the new short shot Vance and Hines pipes on there, so stay tuned. Alright, got them on. We're going to try her out and see. Big difference, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I hope we don't get too much louder.
Oh, it'll get a little louder. You wait till about 1,000 more miles, she'll get louder. Yep, and they look good too. Vance and Hines, short shots. Yeah, they're loud. They're good, good, good. He likes it. I likes it. Everybody likes it. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. There he goes with these new exhausts. Vance and Hines short shots. Just going to take it down the road and back. We're going to double check all the nuts and bolts. Sorry I didn't show everybody the whole install, but it's pretty simple. I mean, you slide them off, slide them on, other than lining the heat shields back up where they're supposed to be, and your exhaust, getting their anchor down, tightened up. That's about it. As soon as he takes off, I'm going to get a little sound on how they sound down the road.